Hi guys, I'm Ishta from HungryForever and today I'm in Bagundi, which is located in Connaught Place in Delhi. It is an authentic Andhra-based restaurant, and the dishes that are served here, you rarely find them anywhere else in Delhi, so I'm very excited to be here. And the first thing that struck me when I entered the restaurant was its decor. It's very calm and soothing, and it obviously reeks of Andhra elements. I've loved the way they've done the decor. They've really put a lot of detail and attention to it. So without wasting any more time, let's dig right into the food. So like I mentioned, the word Bagundi is actually a Telugu word which means very nice or good, and the menu that they have here is actually a culmination of specialties from different regions in Andhra Pradesh. For example, they use this plant called gongura, which is actually Andhra specialties in various dishes here. So it's actually like spinach, but it's a little more sour. So that's one specialty that is on the menu. And another thing that they have which is really popular in Andhra Pradesh is the Guntur region. So they have like Guntur idlis here as well. So the main idea is to bring together different specialties of Andhra Pradesh right here in the menu for us Delhiites to taste. So so I'm just going to try the food now and give you guys my honest review.
Hello, my name is Naveen Rawat. I am the executive chef of Bagundi. So this is our like West Thali, and here are the items which goes in the West Thali. Like first we can start like it's the dal vada. It's made from the lentils, and then we have like papad. It's also made from the lentil, and we have salted chilies along with that. And we'll start with like this is tomato chutney. You can see. And after that we have rice pudding. In Andhra we can call as a pal paisam also. And then we have bindi fry. It's a lady finger. And then we have like yogurt, dahi. And then we have tomato rice, tempered with peanut and red chilies. And then we have tomato dal. And then we have sambar made from the lentils. Then we have a veg korma. Then we have rasam. And along with this, like it goes the rice also. Rice goes, and the puri also goes with along with that. And we have like gongura pickle, avakai. Avakai is like mango pickle, and along with that clarified butter we call as a ghee. This one is puri, made from the lentil like. So these are the things which goes along with this thali.
So the biryani and the thali were both equally really nice. The biryani, however, I felt that the elaichi flavor was too much. But apart from that, I think the chicken was very juicy and tasty, and the biryani flavors and the way it was layered was also really nice. So I would rate the biryani 4 on 5. Coming to the thali, I loved it. It was the first time I was trying Andhra food, and I really liked it. Especially the sambar, the tomato chutney and the tomato rice were my favorite. It wasn't very expensive either. I think the thali cost about 299 rupees, the veg thali, and the overall price here is 800 for 2 people, I think, which is great, and it's pretty reasonable as well. So in the thali I'm going to rate about 4.5 on 5, and I love the overall experience here. So I give it a thumbs up, and you guys must definitely come here if you're looking for Andhra food. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it and give it a thumbs up with your friends and family.